Okay, I'm very excited because today we are trying, it's 10 p.m. February 18th too, if you were curious, but we are trying very moistureful skincare line, because as you all know, I'm on tretinoin and I'm just using it once a week, but I am in the search of a really good, nourishing, gentle product that is good for sensitive skin. So anyway, we are trying Skinceuticals. I've heard about this brand a lot. This is the Barrier Activator Kit. I'm just trying to heal my acne scars right now. I test the product for about a week and see if I like it, and then after that I decide whether or not to incorporate it in my daily skincare routine that I always keep very minimal and very simple. This is horrendous lighting. But you're going to be diving in. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is so fancy. So the first thing is this serum. It's Retextruing Activator. So this activates skin regeneration response by promoting exfoliation, providing simultaneous hydration to diminish the looks of surface lines and transform the skin into a smoother, softer, more radiant complexion. So the next thing, I'm so excited about this because this has ceramides, there's 4% cholesterol and 2% fatty acid. This also optimizes the natural skin barrier. So this is supposed to promote radiance, smoothness, and elasticity. So again, might be healing towards my scars. And then this is an eye cream. So this is supposed to diminish dark circles, puffiness, and visible effects caused by glycation. So excited. So we're gonna take this to the bathroom and we are just going to try these babies out. So nervous and so excited. I'm so sweaty too. Oh my gosh, I think it's because my overexcitement. That was a long intro. So anyway, that was again a brief description of what everything is. Oh my gosh, this looks legit. Look at that. It's so watery. I should probably take before pictures too. Also, side note, I'm on my period. I literally started it today. So that's probably why I'm breaking out so much. We're just trying to, again, put moisture back in, see what works best towards sensitive, dry skin. Anyway, this is like very thick. No scent, which is nice. No fragrance. This is so moisturizing, and before I applied this, we're just gonna pour that everywhere. I applied my Banished Vitamin C because that helps again with, oh my gosh, this is so sticky. Holy crap, this is like the stickiest serum I've ever tried on the face of the earth. Oh my god. Not a bad thing, I guess. This is insanely hydrating. Okay, and then we're gonna try the Triple Lipid Restore. Okay, I'm feeling like a little bit of tingling right now, but it's nothing like intense, so I'm not worried too much. Oh my gosh, this is legit. This is so heavy. Oh my god. This is like way too fancy for me. Okay, so we're gonna try the tiniest bit of it. This is so insanely thick. Look at that. It's like glue. It's basically Elmer's glue in a tub. Oh my god. It's thick and it's kind of like waxy. Only thing is like I'm just gonna be curious if again this is gonna be heavy for me, if I'm gonna break out from this a little bit more. And then the last thing is the eye cream. Okay, so we're trying this whole system out. Okay, we'll try a bit here. I just put the excess here. So my skin is feeling very nice. It's super glowy right now. Okay, I'm gonna take some before pictures, and again, we're just gonna do this every day until next week and see if there's any results just in regards. I guess we'll keep track of puffiness now too, since I'm having this eye cream, but also again, the main thing is just brightening up scars, any radiance. Again, maybe speeding up the healing process of any of my existing scars right now. So this is what it looks like. Okay, day 2. I just woke up. I fell asleep in this shirt. I woke up in it. Probably gonna wear it for the whole day again. Legit, I know I'm going to just not use this. That's probably like the last time I'm gonna use that. Oh my god, it's like my skin is just drinking it up. And then I guess this is meant for the eye cream too, I don't know. Skin is looking like super glowy. I definitely did not get enough sleep though last night, so my eyes are like so red. I don't know if you can notice. Yeah, you can probably tell, they're so red. I literally got like 3 hours of sleep. And it shows. Probably my skin too, and I'm on my period, so this is just, my skin is crazy I feel like right now. So we'll see what my skin is gonna be like a week from now. So yes, fingers crossed, blessed, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pray, gonna cleanse my aura, just hope for the best. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Oh my god, I'm finally dropping it in my hands. This is just insanity. I usually like drop the product on my face from afar with a dropper and just hope it doesn't touch because I'm so lazy, but yeah, of course I like stop using the spatula. It's like as long as you wash your hands with soap and water, you're fine. If anything, this is worse because I haven't cleaned it. Oh my god. This is so moisturizing. I am so excited. Okay, it is February 21st, Sunday. Today is my weekly dose of tretinoin. So this is a perfect opportunity to see how actually moisturizing this skincare brand is. With that being said, I literally have nothing on my face. It's completely dry, and this has been sitting on my face for like an hour. So this is like penetrating very deep. So my skin, I assume, is gonna be super dry. So we're just gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna probably tune you in tomorrow how my skin is feeling. This is, yeah, like literally the most moisturizing serum I've ever tried like in my life so far. Let's see how it works with tretinoin. Of course, also make sure you wash your hands with soap and water prior to dipping your fingers in anything. It's always good to do that. Better be safe than just contaminated. Oh my gosh, and also this is the mask. I don't know if I should sleep with this mask on. I really want to try it, especially with tretinoin. I'm sure my skin's gonna be hella dry, crusty, and just gross. In the good way though, in the best way. It says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, but like, can I go to sleep with this on? Like, it can't be that bad to sleep with on, right? This smells like earth. This smells like Vicks Vapo Rub. Like that stuff you rub on your like neck when you're sick. Or nature. Either one. It's like a jelly. Let's put a little bit on. I'm just curious. I'm gonna take risks. This is literally like jelly. Like, we'll treat this like a sleeping mask, you know? This apparently is heavy duty, like it has hyaluronic acid in it, but like to the max. I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, I'll tune you in tomorrow morning just to see how the heck my skin is going to look, because I'm concerned about this mask now. Oh my gosh, I literally read the ingredients after the fact, and I'm so sad. I don't understand why, but literally the third ingredient is pure alcohol. I hate to say this, but yeah, I don't know if I would recommend the mask. I looked at the ingredients, obviously on all of my skincare. I don't know why skincare brands put pure alcohol in any of their skincare. Like, it literally just like dries out the skin and makes it more sensitive. So I'm gonna have to wash my face and have to mess up my whole skincare that I just placed on, but I'm just gonna reapply it off of camera. Yeah, it's literally just water, glycerin, and alcohol de nat. Literally, that's the first three ingredients. So there's perfume also in this too, and fragrance. There's like a couple more alcohols in here too. So I'm gonna look a bit more deeper into this ingredients, but as of now, I really like the creams and the serum. Yeah, my skin is starting to feel kind of like hot. Yeah, alcohol is never a good thing in skincare. There's good alcohols and bad alcohols, and this just happens to have a bad alcohol like right at the top of the ingredients list. I don't understand. And I know, I get it, it's like more of like a texture thing. Because the only reason why skincare brands put alcohol in their skincare products is just to make ingredients like super thin, like this kind of gel texture or like watery texture. So it's more of a texture thing, right? It's not like an actual skin beneficial thing. And I smell it. That's why it smelled weird. But anyway, I'm not bashing the brand. Like, this obviously doesn't mean like it's a bad brand. Like, hopefully I rinse this off. Okay, round two. Now I feel a bit more sane. I'm not completely gonna go crazy now, knowing that I am safe now with my skin. So yes, I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's the next morning, it is Monday. My skin literally does not feel dry whatsoever. This is probably the first time I've not felt like a speck of dryness. And I thought I put like a lot of tretinoin on last night, so at least from my experience, this has been very moisturizing so far. So yeah, I will update you next time I open this thing. I feel some tingliness for some reason when I applied it tonight, so this is very weird. No dryness again. Nighty night. Hello. Okay, my skin. Again, I did put on tretinoin last night, and like my skin is feeling so moisturized, so I am just so excited. Anyway, final review and update. Okay, so it is, I literally slept in. I am just 9:38. So yeah, Thursday, February 25th. So this is what my skin is looking like this morning. I feel like it is just so glowy. I think my favorite product out of all of the things I tried, out of the 4 things I tried, is definitely the serum and the moisturizer. Like, full on. They're like my favorite. This one I really like because again, it has urea, which is like a mild exfoliating that actually comes from like urine. But it's very exfoliating and moisturizing on the skin. And this also has black tea ferment. It says it's fermented, so I assume it probably has probiotics in it. So if that is correct, then yes, this is so moisturizing. This is literally, again, the most moisturizing serum I've ever tried in my life. Also will help wake up the skin and make it more brighter and glowy because of the tea and the caffeine, I guess, content. And then this triple lipid restore. So the ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, this obviously just restores the whole skin. So the ceramides, they help restore the natural skin barrier. They can help the epidermis, prevent it from any environmental pollutants or damage, and basically helps restore the dryness and irritation you may be having in skin. Ceramides is so good for that. Cholesterol, it basically maintains the skin that you have now. The bounciness, the texture, everything. It's just a good stabilizer. And then the fatty acids, it's essential for the building blocks of cell membranes. So all this together is just a powerhouse. It has omega fatty acids in it. So yeah, I just cannot say enough stuff about this. The eye cream I'm not like wowed by, but it's not like bad either. There is alcohol in this though, so I just realized it this morning. So I'm going to decide whether or not to continue this. It does have caffeine, so I don't know if my eyes are brighter in any way. I don't know. Whenever I read alcohol in this, it kind of scared me because again, it does dry the skin. Because again, alcohol is pretty much just to thin out product. That's literally all it's there for, but it does dry out the skin in the long run if you keep using it over and over again. So yeah, just be mindful about that. But yeah, this is what my skin's looking like. We're gonna take after pictures now. My skin though overall is just looking so much more vibrant. I don't know if any acne scars went down, and I did put tretinoin on last night. My skin is just feeling like so moisturized and not even dry at all. So yeah, I'm very happy, very happy. With that being said, I guess I'll leave it off here. Hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Peace.